Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook not working problem or crashing problem on iPhone or iPad. So guys, if you're trying to use your Facebook but you're facing the problem of crashing and not working on your Facebook in iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open the App Store and search for the Facebook app, and then you have to simply download and install the latest version of Facebook app on your device. So guys, if you see the update, you have to simply update your Facebook to the latest version and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply restart your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is open settings, and from here go to general, then software update, and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you like this, you have to simply update your device to the latest version and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is go to general, then go to iPhone storage, and now go to Facebook and offload the app and delete the app for one time from your device as well. So guys, do this and again install the Facebook app on your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open the Sport app, and from here you can get any kind of help from the Apple team regarding this issue. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem to the Apple team regarding this issue, and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.